This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in slap battles. To begin, you first need to understand the requirements for obtaining this unique glove. You will need to accumulate 250 slaps, showing your experience in combat. Furthermore, securing the disarm badge is essential, which you earn by skillfully eliminating a player equipped with the drip glove. Once these conditions are met, the power of clock awaits. Once you have successfully met the unlock criteria, equipping your new clock glove is simple. Open your in-game glove selection menu, where all your acquired gloves are displayed. Take your time to scroll through the options until you spot the distinctive clock icon. A quick click on its image will instantly equip it to your character, preparing you for battle with its special power. Clock's core function is its remarkable ability to temporarily halt an opponent's movements. Activating this power is straightforward. Simply press your E key if you are playing on PC, or tap the dedicated ability button if you are using a mobile device. Remember, this powerful action does have a cooldown period, so use it wisely. Each successful freeze will hold your target in place for roughly 3 seconds, creating crucial openings. To truly excel with clock, strategic timing is key for maximum effectiveness. Employ its ability to halt speedy adversaries or those actively deploying their own glove powers. A perfectly timed clock freeze, followed by a swift slap, often guarantees an easy elimination. Always monitor your cooldown indicator to ensure you do not waste this valuable asset. Positioning yourself close to your intended target dramatically increases your success rate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.